Imagine transforming your home into a cozy haven with just a few euros. Candles for €1 and sculpted stoneware for €4. Could Action's latest collection be the game changer you've been dreaming of for those chilly autumn evenings? Let's dive into why these affordable gems are stealing the spotlight and how they might just revolutionize your space. But here's where it gets controversial. Are budget buys like these truly stylish? Or do they sacrifice quality for trendiness? Stick around to find out and see if you agree with the experts who swear by them. As the days grow shorter and darkness creeps in earlier, a simple switch can work wonders. A gentle flame here, an elegant shape there, and suddenly your rooms exude warmth, tranquility, and an inviting social vibe that draws people in. With the clocks ticking back and sunlight fading fast, the discount home decor section is buzzing with excitement. Action's newest range of candles and candle holders is igniting a wave of autumn transformations, with style gurus raving about their nostalgic designs, inviting textures, and festive-ready touches. The appeal is straightforward. They deliver an immediate ambience at a low cost, complete with personality to enliven a dining table, entryway, or lounge in no time at all. Why Action's candles are captivating design enthusiasts. The retro craze is back in full swing. This autumn's excitement centers on a revival of the 1960s and 1970s aesthetics. Think flowing curves, gentle geometric shapes, and sculptural elements that adorn fireplaces and dining setups. Action captures this vibe perfectly with stoneware holders that resemble miniature artworks. They introduce elevation and structure, perfect whether they're lit or simply displayed. Combine one with a classic spiral taper, and you've got a seamless, effortless look. Interior designers often opt for holders that are curvaceous and robust, as they ground an entire arrangement. Just one piece can redefine an entire shelf. Spiral tapers extend this vintage theme with a contemporary edge. Their coiled design casts dynamic shadows and serves as a vibrant color pop. Position them in straightforward stoneware for the silhouette to shine, or in milky glass for a gentle, diffused light. Hues, surfaces, and the fun of blending. Color plays a pivotal role in setting the atmosphere. Earthy warms like terracotta, caramel, and beige create a snug feeling. Jazzier options, vivid saffron, sage, glacial blue, delicate rose, and olive, add a seasonal boost without overwhelming. Texture enhances this further. Rough stoneware provides substance. Milky glass scatters light softly. Swirled wax introduces motion. Tie-dye patterns and shimmering finishes hint at celebrations without going overboard. Stick to one neutral foundation, one bold hue, and one textured element. This combination ensures any display remains harmonious. What you'll find on the shelves. Key items and their features. The collection includes basic tapers up to eye-catching holders. The highlights include the spiraled candles, gradient-dyed pillars, and sparkling varieties that evoke late autumn get-togethers. Organic, curved stoneware holders complement sleeker, Art Deco-inspired forms for versatile mixing. Everything is crafted to build layers rather than demand perfect matches. Item material finish, typical price best for. Twisted taper wax, spiral. Solid color is almost equal to €1 each table settings. Fireplace balance. Tie-dye pillar wax, gradient hues, low Euro centerpieces, side tables. Glitter taper wax, subtle or dramatic shine, low Euro drink stations, festive touches. Stoneware holder clay / stoneware mat. Sculpted is almost equal to €4, stabilizing displays. Hallway stands. Opaline glass cup, glass soft, blurred light, low Euro bedrooms, bathrooms. With prices beginning at roughly €1 for candles and around €4 for stoneware holders, you can achieve high-impact tablescapes on a shoestring budget. Tips for arranging a table or shelf. A handful of easy techniques can turn your setup into something thoughtfully composed, not a jumble. Choose a theme, intimate meal, peaceful reading spot, celebratory drinks, and tailor your choices accordingly. Mix elevations, blend a short pillar, a medium holder, and a tall taper. Opt for uneven numbers. Groups of 3 or 5 appear organic. Harmonize colors. 1 cozy neutral, 1 standout shade, 1 textural feature. Incorporate subtle greenery. Sprigs of eucalyptus or pine cutting smooth out the edges. Space flames safely. Maintain about 10 centimeters between candles to prevent overheating. Trim wicks to 5 millimeters prior to lighting to minimize smoke and drips. Introduce layered illumination. A thin microgarland woven among holders adds dimension without harshness. Blending forms and feels outperforms purchasing a uniform set. It's the contrast that brings the arrangement to life. Addressing costs and stock. Affordability is the core draw. Candles begin at nearly €1, while detailed stoneware holders are about €4. This means a centerpiece with 3 holders and 4 tapers can total under €20, yet still appear intentional. Retailers update their seasonal sections often, so colors and styles change regularly. In-demand shades like sage, terracotta, and light blue fly off the shelves as events pile up from November through December. If a specific scheme is your goal, act early. These bargains also shine for gifts. A set of 2 holders with 2 matching tapers makes a considerate present at a tiny fraction of standard retail costs, staying on trend. Stock up a little for impromptu gatherings. A couple of spiraled tapers in a striking tint can elevate a basic table effortlessly. Beyond aesthetics, substances, maintenance, and eco-friendliness. Types of wax and how they perform. Manufacturers employ various wax mixtures balancing price, duration, and scent. Paraffin typically delivers potent aromas and a lively flame. Soy and rapeseed last longer and burn more gently, with milder fragrances. Fragrance-free varieties are ideal for meals, while scented ones work well in entrances or sleeping areas where they won't compete with food smells. Regardless of choice, placing them steadily in draft-free spots boosts efficiency and reduces soot buildup. Upkeep, repurposing, and precautions. Shield surfaces with heat-resistant pads and drip trays for extended burns. Use a candle snuffer instead of blowing to avoid wax splatter. For wax buildup in holders, try the freezer method. Freeze for an hour, remove the residue, then clean with warm, soapy water. Stoneware items can double as vases for flowers, incense holders, or desk tidies once candle season ends, prolonging their usefulness into spring. Always supervise burning candles and keep them away from kids and animals. Limit sessions to 2 to 3 hours to create a uniform melt and prevent tunneling. Save shimmering styles for airy, well-ventilated areas and set them on trays for mess-free removal. Ways to maximize bang for your buck. Simple space ideas. Entryway greeting for roughly €12. 2 stoneware holders, €8, and 4 tapers in 1 shade, €4. Lounge ambience at about €15. A gradient pillar, 2 spiral tapers, and a micro garland. Meal for 6 under €20. 5 tapers of varying heights on plain plates, dotted with herb branches. Each setup stands alone, but can merge for larger crowds. If you photograph your interiors for social media, assemble a rotating collection of 8 to 10 pieces across 3 palettes. Warm earths, winter evergreens, and festive brights. Rotate 1 accent weekly to keep your feed dynamic. The minimal investment versus major decor changes makes this a safe bet for updating your online presence while gauging what resonates with followers. And this is the part most people miss. What trends are coming next? Shifting from ornamental to practical. Fashion insiders predict 2 subtle trends gaining traction as winter approaches. Bulkier, earthenware-style holders that double as daytime decor, and matte glass that mellows electric tea lights for those avoiding real flames, like renters. Action's blend of stoneware and milky glass aligns perfectly. Look out for richer greens and gold-hued tones as celebrations heat up, along with more swirled waxes that evoke luxury on a budget. For those strategizing, outline a color strategy from November to December and purchase in small quantities. This allows you to adjust by introducing a single new tint or feel when new stock arrives, without overhauling everything. The aim is straight